YouTube, what's going on? Weekend Gardener here. Today is the March 1st, and I'm going to feed my garlic that's been out in the yard since second week of January. I'm going to fill this up, 2-gallon pot, a little bit of fish emulsion. We're going to go from there. Stay tuned. Okay, water's all loaded up. Okay, this is what my purple garlic, Italian garlic, looks like at the moment. It's done well over the winter. We are not sure if it's official spring yet, but we are close. So some of the ones in the back are looking kind of puny, like that one right there. So just give it a little boost of nitrogen. Some fish emulsion, 511. So far, this is my first successful run at garlic, the allium family. I've never even gotten this far. Usually when I plant bulbs, they die off, and I think the issue was I planted at the wrong time. This time, I followed the directions. So I have a few over here. What I wanted to do was move them around to different areas. Oh, that one right there looks good. Puny. So I have them in 3 locations, and the last spot is over here. Looks like it's just one. Okay, final area that I have. Now maybe sometime, got a little bit more left. Sometime next week, I will go ahead and rake all this up and start garden cleaning. Like, everything has to be raked up and neat and nice.